Welcome to the project demonstration of social distancing monitoring robots in queue public places. So like in generally the main purpose of this robot is whenever the persons stand by in queue in a line, so then this robot will follow the line and it will measure the distance between the two persons consecutively with the help of this ultrasonic sensors. So whenever the distance between the two consecutive persons is less than the 2 meters or 1.5 meter, then automatically voice will be announced through this speaker. So for voice announcement we are making use of APR 3383 voice module. So from this we are going to announce the voice which is pre-record already. APR nothing but audio playback recorder, and ultrasonic sensor distance will be monitored continuously on the LCD display, and the total system was controlled by the Raspberry Pi Zero W. And here the main input modules are, one is SR04 ultrasonic sensor and another 2 IR sensor we interface to the same Pi Zero W. So in order to control the robot in line following mode, so we can follow the line with the help of these 2 IR sensors and ultrasonic sensor. These two are the input to the Raspberry Pi Zero. Coming to the pin numbers interfacing, ultrasonic sensor interface with 23 and 24. 23 is a trigger pin, 24 is a echo pin from the SR04, and 2 IR sensor for line following 2 and 3, and LCD interface with 17, 27, 22 and 10, 9, 11 pins, and L293D motor driver 5, 6, 13, 19, and voice module interface with 20 and 21. These pins are the GPIO of BCM mode. So there are the different types of modes while programming the Raspberry Pi. So the mentioned pin numbers are GPIO BCM mode pins. As a BCM nothing but Broadcom Raspberry Pi processor. And here as we discuss, the input modules are SR04 and IR sensors, and output is going to be the L293D motor driver and APR 3383 voice module. So here L293 motor driver, so here we interface that. So it was interfaced with the 12 volt battery, because my robot will run with 2 DC motors which are 12 volts operated, and L293 motor driver is a dual H-bridge IC which can drive the 2 motors at a time. And the trigger inputs from the Raspberry Pi Zero W is, as I mentioned, 5, 6 and 13, 19 pins of the Pi Zero W. And here coming to the battery, we are using 12 volt 2 amp battery, and so the 12 volt 2 amp battery is a rechargeable battery. So it consists of the 2 battery packs. One battery pack is of 4 volt 1 amp is connected in series, 3 batteries, and these 3 batteries are connected in parallel, so that we will get 12 volts 2 amps, and this is a rechargeable battery. And the charger, and so this is 12 volts battery power supply is only for the motors to run the robot. And coming to this power bank, so from this power bank we are going to provide the 5 volts to the Raspberry Pi. So it's also rechargeable, we can charge this by using of mobile phone, it's micro USB. And coming to this, I'm going to show the how to recharge the robot battery. So just connect this plug to the 230 volts and then switch on. There will be a LED indication. So here we have the notation like B for battery, and here also we need to connect these 2 pins and leave it for at least 6 hours. In that time only the battery can get fully charged, and after charging time is over, then you can remove that. And as usually we can charge this from a mobile phone. And before switching on this cage, so let us explain the 2 modes in this project. So one mode is demonstration mode, another is real time mode. So coming to the demonstration mode, whenever we switch on this robot, it start moving forward and follow the line, and whenever the obstacle is detected below 15 centimeters, it will enter into the demonstration mode. So the next obstacle should be below 15 centimeters, and this distance between 2 obstacles around of 1 feet maximum for demonstration purpose. Coming to the real time mode, if the first obstacle is detected below 45 centimeters, and then it will entering into the real time mode, and then it will search for the next obstacle should not be less than the 1.5 meters. Then only it will entering into it will not announce the voice of like social distancing voice. And coming to this demonstration, just give the power supply and before that it should be in off mode. So this is the on mode and is off mode. And now, so it will take 15 to 20 seconds of time for booting. Once the booting was successfully done, we can see the welcome message on the LCD as well as voice announcement welcome message. And once the welcome message announced, right, once the welcome message is completed and the ultrasonic sensor start reading the distance of the obstacle, and then we can switch on this, then the robot will move forward direction. And whenever the obstacle is detected, we can notice the demo mode or real time mode.
Please maintain distance. Please maintain distance.